Appointment of additional director as per Companies Act 2013. Additional directors are directors appointed between two annual general meetings as per under section 161(1) of the Companies Act 2013. They can be appointed if there is casual vacancy on the board and the board of directors need to appoint a director in order to meet the minimum number of directors. Even a sole director can act for this purpose. Alternatively, if they want to induct someone on the board before the AGM, they can appoint him or her as an additional director. The basic requirements for this purpose are that the Articles of Association of the company must grant the directors this power, and the person to be appointed as additional director should not have been someone who has failed to be appointed as a director at a general meeting. In other words, directors cannot use their power to bring on the board someone who the shareholders have clearly rejected. The additional director's office will come to an end at the next annual general meeting held after his appointment, and if the shareholders appoint him or her, they can continue on the board. However, acts done by them during this term in their capacity will be valid despite the fact that the shareholders might not reappoint them. All of the formalities for appointment of directors will have to be completed for the appointment of additional directors. Powers and obligations of additional director. Though appointed on a temporary basis, an additional director is vested with the same power of the normal director. The additional director must utilize his power in the best interest of the company and the shareholders. The additional director can also be appointed as the company's managing director. Term of additional director. The person appointed as additional director shall hold office from the date of his appointment to the date of the ensuing annual general meeting or date on which annual general meeting to be held, whichever is later. What happens if the annual general meeting is not held on the due date? The additional director so appointed has to vacate the office if the general meeting was not held on the due date.